Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we're back for another video today. And in our last video, before we put the sport top and the rear net on, we put that agency power cat delete pipe on with the electronic or Valvetronic dump, and we wanted to see if there was an actual difference. There's no tune on it or anything like that, so does it help by just putting a pipe on your unit? Does it make it faster? It does sound better, I can tell you that. You can hear the turbo more, but does it actually help you performance wise? So we went ahead and we bought a tune and everything, but we didn't put it on yet because we wanted to do this video to see if there was any difference, and then in the next video we'll go ahead and we'll put that tune on and see how much big of a difference that is. But we're out in a big field today. We can't go up there because obviously the crop's planted, so we can't do that. So we're just going to go down this side road right here and go from there. And then when we put the agency power race pipe on, you guys didn't get to hear it outside, so I wanted to start it up so you guys can hear it out here out in the open and actually see what it sounds like. So Mike, you can go ahead and go in the back and I'll start this up, and then after I show you guys that, we'll go ahead and we'll do some test runs. A little bit deeper, but it still sounds stock. You can hear the turbo just a little bit, but when we open up that valve, you're gonna notice a big difference. I think what we'll do a 0 to 60 with just the stock exhaust with the cat delete, and then we'll do a 0 to 60 with the valve open, basically open headers, and see if it's faster or if it's slower. So we'll go ahead and get all that set up and you guys can check it out. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and do 0 to 60. We got our Dragy right here. Everything's going to show up on the phone. And let's see what this can do. So I went faster, 863. You guys can see it. 863. Let's see, the 8th mile is a 1046. So that's not bad. I think the what was the fastest time? 871, right? 871. So let's go ahead and let's try it with the valve open and see if we can get any more, see if we can get a quicker time. So let's go ahead and do that. So this one's with the valve open. 820. So we went from 871 just stock to 863 with the valve closed, and with the valve open 820. So I don't know if we should do it one more time just to back that up with the valve open, see if we can get quicker, and then we'll come to our conclusion. So let's go ahead and do that one more time, and then we'll go from there. Like that, it's quiet. Let's see, we went 826. So 820 was our fastest time. And go ahead and get this helmet off so I can talk. So I tell you what, you can definitely tell a difference. It seems like it has more torque. So right out of the gate, you can feel it in your, you can feel it in your butt, the seat, kind of like throws you back in there. And I tell you what, I'm very impressed. I think this is going to probably give us, what, 3 to 4 more horsepower. The guy said possibly. And you wouldn't think you'd feel it that much with that little horsepower, but you can definitely feel it, you know, in that torque range right out of the hole. So fastest time was 820 with the valve open, and then it was, what, 863 with the valve closed. So I'll go ahead and I'll put those numbers down below on the screen, and so you guys can see that. The next video is we got a tune and we got a clutch kit, so we should really tell a difference with the clutch kit we're going with and the tune we're going with. So I can't wait to do that. Probably actually gonna go back to the garage right now and start on that, and then but we'll go ahead and release this video first. So if you're new to the channel and you like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think of this race pipe. And with that said, I'll see you on our next one. Man, that thing sounds good. Teaching him how to ride it. If you guys can see them down there. We put the chase lights on to see what they look like too. Man, that thing's, you could really hear that from far away. Oh, he's getting braver. All right, guys, see you on the next one.